Never care about how poorly or how well you speak. Only care about catching the chances to speak. Never care about what other people think. Only care about making progress. Enjoy losing face. Enjoy being like judge. To forget about the face. To forget about the fear. The more you speak, the better the English will come. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. You must enjoy making mistakes. You must enjoy speaking poor English. Speaking is the only thing that will lead you to a success. Don't give up. You try the best. Every time you move your mouth, your memory will deepen, the muscle will strengthen, and the confidence will awaken. I know we will make it. We will do it. I totally believe in you.